Python IsInstance for classes and subclass. This code is from Python Cookbook 3rd edition from Classes chapter section 8.13. The program tries to define various kinds of data structures, but want to enforce constraints on the values that are allowed to be assigned to certain attributes. I am executing the program in Python 2.7 with PyCharm IDE. When executing the code with the below initialization condition. When debugging the below code for @check_attributes place is equal to sized string, tester, size is equal to 8, the below if condition is true whereas for name is equal to string and shares is equal to integer, the else condition is true. Questions. If sized string is an instance of descriptor, based on inheritance hierarchy string, typed, max is as, descriptor, then string and integer also should satisfy the if condition, right? Because at the end it is also the subclass of, typed, descriptor. What is value, key, in 77, CLS, key, value, key, means, can't understand what is value, key, means. Sorry for the lengthy context, but wanted to be clear as much as possible.
If sized string is an instance of descriptor, based on inheritance hierarchy, string, typed, maximized, descriptor, then string and integer also should satisfy the if condition, right? Because at the end it is also the subclass of, typed, descriptor. We have to look carefully at what is being passed into the check_attributes function. Look closer at what the value of the name and share keyword arguments are. Notice the lack of parenthesis after the string and integer class names? This means the string and integer class object themselves are being passed into check_attributes, not an instance of either class. And since the string class object and the integer class object are not subclasses of descriptor, IsInstance, value, descriptor, fails. What is value, key, in citator, CLS, key, value, key, means, can't understand what is value, key, means. Think about it. Since value has the value of whatever keyword argument was passed into check_attributes, and the value is not an instance of the descriptor class, then value must be referring to a class object. If you don't understand why this is, refer back to my answer to your first question. So calling value, key, is creating an instance of some class, and passing in the key value as a constructor argument.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.